Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorial, and on today's video we'll be getting to know how to get your Nibiru visible on your wallet. We did a video on how to get position for the Nibiru airdrop, and for persons that did do the Nibiru testnet, which was more like a social tax, right? Now all you need to do is get your Leap wallet from the Google Play Store or your Apple Store for iOS users, right? And you could use your Kepler wallet as an alternative, but we'll be using Leap wallet today on a video. I click on the Leap wallet and my Leap wallet gets to load up. You should know Leap wallet is really a good wallet on Cosmos ecosystem, right? It is more like the best crypto wallet for all blockchain on Cosmos. And okay, past the facial verification, on to some persons you could use your pin, or to some persons you could use your fingerprint, and you could see you are on Cosmos Hub. This is the Cosmos Hub, right? And you could see the Cosmos wallet. You could click on it, it could go, this will copy, yes, this will get copied, and this is Cosmos. All you need to do, make sure you are on mainnet. You shouldn't be on testnet, right? Click on this, check your network, and I am on mainnet, right? And you click on the top right corner here. This is where different chains are. You have Cosmos Hub, Osmosis, Celestia, DYDX, Injective, Stargaze, but we'll be looking for the Nibiru chain. You click on search and type Nibiru. Yeah, this is the Nibiru chain. You wait for it to load up, and you could see you are on Nibiru chain, right? Persons that participated in the Nibiru testnet phase, congratulations. Currently now there is really no available airdrop checker that's official from the Nibiru ecosystem itself, right? You could see the available Nibiru on my wallet. Now this Nibiru was airdropped to me by Nibiru itself. I guess this is for the claim of their airdrop that would be happening soon. All you just need to do is stay poised and get the right information. You could see I could click on it. It is 9.976 Nibi, and Nibiru already has been listed, and it is currently live on different centralized exchange. So you could also buy Nibiru for persons that participated in the airdrop and you weren't given, right? All you need to do is make sure it is the wallet you use to participate in the Nibiru airdrop, and you will get to see your available tokens over here. Alright, thank you for watching today's tutorial video. We do hope you enjoyed today's tutorial video. Do well to subscribe to SMC Tutor, and do well to like, share and comment on this video, right? Thank you.